Do you remember what made you want to document your life? This is the box that holds my memories and carry on to my first time I began documenting my life. Even it took me so long to bring it back, but today I'm ready. It might be a simple journey, but I hope you will join me on this journey back in time. Let's come along together.